Hey friends, welcome back. Today I have my keto weigh-in update, measurement update, what's been going on, post-holiday, new year, new me, all that stuff. You guys are interested, seeing how keto's been going, how I've been rolling through it, go ahead, stay tuned. Hey friends, welcome back. Happy Saturday. I know I took a couple weeks off of doing these update videos, and I just basically was just getting through the motions. All my kids were sick, I was sick, Christmas came, New Year's came, your girl got a job, I was working. It's been crazy. So I just stayed keto, except for Christmas Eve and day, I think. Christmas Eve and day, pretty sure. I didn't follow. But for other than that, I stayed keto, and I did really well. No regrets, none of that stuff. I did, just lived. For New Year's and stuff like that, I stayed on plan. It wasn't a big deal for me. I think I did maybe have one or two drinks. A lot of people do ask if I'm drinking, what am I drinking? Most of the time, I will drink vodka with some kind of diet soda. That's just basically it. I've been doing, what is it? The vanilla with, I think it's the vanilla extract, Smirnoff, with diet root beer. My favorite. It tastes like a root beer float. I don't think it's exactly keto because I think it has to be over 80 proof, and I think it's only 65, but I only have maybe like one or two drinks, if that, and then I'm done. I'm not a big drinker, so it didn't bother me none. So that was my adult bevies. There you go. But yeah, so I went ahead and I did jump on the scale today. I have been following intermittent fasting, 16 to 8, so 16 hours fasting, 8 hours eating. I have been even creeping up to almost like 18 to 20 hours sometimes, depending on what I eat or how my day is going. I've been doing really good at it. I really feel really great. I feel really motivated. I feel very clear-minded. I don't feel hungry. Yeah, so definitely when I first started, I hated it, and I was like, this is ridiculous. I'm starving myself. But now I'm like totally in it, like my body's adjusted, we good, we golden. And I am still following strict keto. I just started really, like I said, for Christmas I didn't really follow it, but like probably the day after Christmas I just got right back on it, and I've been on it. If you guys have not checked out my Going Keto series, please do so. I did, I think it was like 5 or 6 videos in a row, just, grocery hauls, full days of eating, cook with me's. I did a pancake recipe, like basic essentials if you're gonna try to go keto, what to do. So yeah, we have all these options. So if you guys are new and you're just kind of trying to figure out if keto's the way for you, that can kind of help you guys out. Yeah, I did straighten my hair this morning, and I have all these flyaways, so if you see them sticking out, ignore them. So I did my, first off, I got on the scale. So you guys remember I gained 4 pounds. I was like all blah, blah, blah. I was really upset with myself. Jumped onto the scale today. I lost my 4 pounds and 1.5. So I'm down 5.5 pounds. Pretty good. I definitely notice it more in my face. Definitely in my, like, if my hair was up, you would notice. But definitely in my, like, shoulders and stuff like that. I can feel myself thinning out, my stomach and stuff like that. I did do my pictures, so I will insert them now. Let's just look at me now. See, look at me. Here's beginning, day 1, and then here's today. Okay? All right, so let's see. My measurements today. My waist is 30 3/4 of an inch. 30 inches and 3/4, whatever. When I started, my waist was 33 inches. My hips are 35.5. When I started, they were 39.5. My chest is 36. I don't think it'll ever get any smaller. When I started, it was 38. My right thigh is 21.5. When I started, it was 24. My left thigh is 22. When I started, it was 23. So that's pretty good. I guess see the changes. I really have been working out, really staying consistent with it. Today is my off day because I can't walk up the stairs anymore. So I've been really just grinding on that, really been looking forward to it. This year I have made, I don't want to say a resolution because it's just cliche, but I've really just decided to make sure I'm putting more time into myself. And working out is something that I like to do for myself. It is my time, you know, and I just enjoy it. I blast my music and I just zone out and I just do the damn thing. So I've been really trying to focus on doing that for myself. Also, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, please do so. I'm over there all the time. I would love to have you guys hang out with me. I touched on the fact that I was just really not happy with who I was as a person. Not with weight, not with anything else, but overall, just I felt like I was such a negative bitch. You know what I mean? Like my first initial instinct was like, I didn't even have to verbalize it, but like even in my head, and I was like, I would see stuff and I'd be like, and then I'm like, what the hell? You know, like, and then I noticed it. Like I actually took a day and I was like, let me notice, like, why am I like this? And I noticed it. Social media, you know, people's comments, people in the street, like I was just being so judgy. So I was reading, a lot of people were giving me like stuff to read up on, and one article I read on it and it hit the nail on the head, said that you didn't love yourself. If you find yourself being negative, these are the things that you can tell if you're a negative person. And it was like you constantly feel victimized. Your initial reaction is always negative. You feel like people are showing off, or you feel like woe is me, you know, like, and I was like, damn, I feel like that a lot and I don't like it. And so I really have been, you know, just trying to take a step back and just, my first initial reaction, I'm hoping, even if a negative one starts to kind of enter in, I just kind of shake it off, and I'm like, and I'll even say it out loud. I don't care if people think I'm crazy or not. And I'm like, all right, Danielle, let's think of the positive on this. And I've been really working on manifesting. And I know people probably think it's crazy because I thought it was too. And I was like, you guys are a bunch of weirdos. You know, no way in hell. But I just feel like if you verbalize, today's a good day. It's going to be a good day. I'm going to do great. I have great things coming to me. You know, and you just feel positive. You feel like you're lifting, you could literally feel the negativity lifting off you. Because if you wake up and you're like, today's going to be a bullshit ass day. I got to get up. My kids are going to be assholes. I got to deal with the bills. I got to deal, you know, I'm just sick of it. I don't even want to get out of bed. You're already in a bad mood. Already. Because I've been there. I've done it. I literally pulled up to work and I was like, I hate my job. I don't want to be here. And then it's a horrible day. But I've also pulled up to my job and I was like, all right, Danielle, this is going to be a great day. We're going to get through this. It's going to be a good day. And it was. You know, maybe it psychs you up. I don't know. Maybe it is the universe. Maybe God's on your side. Whatever it is, it works. I don't know how. But I'm going with it. And whoever, if it's God, if it's the universe, just thank them, accept it, and just stay on that positive train and keep moving. So I say this to you guys because I feel like this is also helping with my weight loss journey. Danielle, you look great. You've come so far. I may not have hit my goal, but man, I've came so far. You've come so far to only come so far. You got this. You know, and the more I hype myself up, because you have to be your biggest cheerleader, you know, and I just feel like it's just helped me. It's helped me put me in a better mood, get the endorphins pumping. I don't know, but I just felt great. So I really recommend you guys giving that a try. A lot of people have been asking about the intermittent fasting. The app I use is called Zero. I think it was free. I don't pay for apps. I'm just so cheap. I like it. I've been tracking everything on my FitnessPal. I don't adjust anything. I don't make it fit me. I just put everything in and then I watch my macros accordingly. That's how I do it because I'm not paying for anything. I told you guys I'm cheap. Yeah, so I do have a grocery haul coming up for you. I got a bunch of good stuff coming up. I mean, as you guys, I know a lot of people have came here trying to, you know, vibe with me on the whole keto thing, but I hope you guys stick around because I touch on everything. Everything that is anything in your daily life. Cooking, cleaning, family, fashion, you name it, we do it. We enjoy life together. You guys are my friends and I just take the camera along with me. So for our new year, we're going to kill it. We're going to hit them goals. We're going to smash them. We're going to stay positive, and we're going to just be the bestest friends that anybody could have. So my plan for this coming week, stay positive, stay focused, and stay on the damn train. That's it. If you do each week that way, stay positive, stay focused, and just stay on the train. Keep going. Keep doing what you did last week. You know, watching your food, counting your macros or whatever. Even if you do dirty keto, you know, making sure that you're, you know, watching your carbs, whatever it is, you know, and just stay the course, you're gonna do great. Because these days turn into weeks that turn into months. And then before you know it, we're gonna be right back here, 2020, celebrating this last year, okay? But all right, guys, I will check in with you guys later. Thank you so much. If you guys are new here, my name's Danielle, and we are friends here. Come along and hang with us. All right, guys, I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.